Alright, today we're going to be making cacio e pepe. So to get started, you're going to want to grate 2 cups of Pecorino Romano cheese into a bowl and set that off to the side. Now, as the name of this dish literally means cheese and pepper, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns to a large pan set over low heat, and you're going to toast for a few minutes until it becomes fragrant. This is going to provide some great flavor to the pasta, and afterwards I'm going to add the peppercorns to a mortar and pestle and grind until I have a coarse texture. Now you can also use a pepper mill, it just might take a little bit of time. Now it's at this point that you can begin salting your water and dropping your pasta, then moving back to the pepper. We're going to take that same large pan that we toasted it in, pour in our ground pepper, and then we're going to add about a cup of that pasta water, turn the heat to medium, and then we're going to simmer this until it thickens up. Now at the same time, we're going to take our cheese from earlier and add a half cup of pasta water, and we're going to whisk until the cheese is fully melted and you have a loose mixture. Once your pepper sauce is thickened up, we're going to add in our strained pasta. You're going to want to toss a little bit before adding in our cheese mixture, and then toss and stir vigorously until that cheese is melted and all the ingredients are incorporated. Now you're going to want to add a little bit of pasta water. It's really going to help that sauce come together. Toss a little bit more and then taste for seasonings, maybe a little bit extra salt. For plating, we're going pretty simple here, and we're going to add a couple scoops of our pasta. Then for garnish, we're going to add a little bit extra Pecorino Romano, and then I saved some of our toasted peppercorns and I'm adding a little bit of that on top, and then you're finished. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.